Today I'm going to give you a full rundown of how to set up your Facebook ads. And I actually have a live client right here. This isn't some kind of mock. This is the real thing. So I have a client. They just sent me a bunch of their content. As you can see, we have a bunch of beautiful bags. And by the way, the client was gone using the Etsy method, which you can watch a video on that I made. But I have a bunch of content here, 2025, so many pictures, literally like 40 pictures. So I'm going to show you how I set up these ads literally in person. It's like a full course. So the first thing I'm going to do really simply is let's just go to her ad account right here, and then I'm just going to create a campaign. I'm going to do a sales campaign, continue. I'm going to DB testing. So this is going to be a testing campaign, not the scaling campaign. We're going to do ad set budget. Since this isn't scaling, I only like to do campaign budget for actual scaling campaigns because it kind of puts the money into the best ads. Everything else, leave it as is. Conversion, I'm going to do just website, and then maximize number of conversion. Data set is the pixel. Conversion event, we're going to do purchase because that's obviously our main goal here. And then daily budget, we're going to spend $100 a day. So it's a lot of money, but you know, we're trying to make a lot of money here. Now, I'm going to get rid of, actually I'm going to leave placements on, but if you're just doing a clothing brand like that's doing pre-orders, you want to only do Instagram, or else you're gonna get banned from Facebook because they make people leave reviews on orders. And if you do it on Facebook and it's a pre-order and they don't get their order, the people are gonna leave a bad review and you'll get banned. So otherwise, I'm gonna leave this all exactly the same. Next, and then this is our first ad. Boom, we're already here. So let's select what we wanna pretty much post, and then let's go on her website and see kind of how it's structured right here. That looks like it, right? Yeah, that's it. So this is the product. So what I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to copy the URL of this product. Then I'm going to download this ad. Then we're going to go to Ad Manager. We are going to do, where's it at? Single image or video. Website. And then we're going to put the website URL. You want to go straight to the product page. That will get you more sales. Now, I don't want to do Shopify catalog. Why is that on? Maybe I forgot to turn it off. No, catalog is off. Catalog. Am I tripping? So this is all linked, but right here, manual upload, and then single image video. Set up creative, video ad, and then media. Let's just upload this. Next. Now I'm gonna just literally take a screenshot of this and go to ChatGPT right here. I'm gonna make a new chat, and then I'm gonna say, post this link, and then make a description. Wait, no. Give me the copy for this product. Give me 5 of each headline. So since she has so many products, this is going to take a while. I think we're going to focus on mostly her bestsellers because I don't want to start off with so many ads with only $100 budget. But let's see what the other ones are. So it's the same thing. Same thing. Okay, that one's different. So we're going to utilize flexible ads a lot as well. I'll show you guys what that is in a sec, but okay. Alright, so let's just focus on this one. Okay, let's go back to that account. Let's paste the primary text. Boom, we're chilling. Now, we're going to do 5 different versions. I'm going to do this bottom one, and then I'm going to do this one. Then I'm going to generate new variations. And then I'm going to use the AI and actually select all of these. You want to utilize all the Facebook like AI stuff, because it just, it A/B tests for you. You'll make more money. So last one, boom, that's done. Now let's do the headline. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Boom. There you go. And then we're going to use the AI ones. And then description, same thing. I know it's a little tedious, boys, but that's what you have to do to get the best ads. And last one. Boom. There you go. So you can do shop now or learn more. Those two are my favorite, but I'm just going to do this one. And then I'm going to turn on all the enhancements, because the more enhancements, the better. I'm going to leave this off. Boom. So that should be good. Primary text field can't be the same as the other primary text field. What? Huh. I guess I did this one twice, so we'll just delete it. Now what the hell is that? Call to action, shop now. Where is it at? So they should be chilling. Let's just double check the... Where's the URL at? Make sure that you have all your creative enhancements on. Okay. Let's see. Preview URL. Boom. Perfect. This as well. Should we turn that off? And we'll leave it on. So that's one ad done. So we're gonna name this just like that. And then this ad set we're gonna name video, because I'm gonna have one photo, one video ad set, and we're actually, let's do like $75. And then let's just duplicate this ad. What does it say? Update website and shop. Yeah, frick shop, bro. We want all the traffic through the website to build up our email and SMS list. So now let's do a flexible ad, because this is the same bag, and this is the same bag. If it wants to start downloading. So I'm gonna do flexible. So flexible, you can pretty much A/B test. It'll A/B test for you. What do you mean upload failed? Hello. Oh, because I did photo. Add video, and then let's do the second one. If it wants to load. So that's that one. Which one did we install? Let me just double check. Yeah, it's not that one. So we'll download this also. Now we wait. Boom, done. Let's upload this as well. And let's see if there's any more of that bag. Nope, different bag. Nope, different bag. Nope, different bag. This is kind of both bags, low key. This is the same bag, it's just a different colorway. I could technically put all these into a flexible campaign. and then take them to the collection page instead of the product page. The product page usually converts better, but I'm thinking if I should just do that because there's so many. I think I'll do that because there's so many ads. So I showed you how to set up the single image video, but for this, let's do flexible. I think that's the move for us, boys. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna have this fourth one, and then there was one more. Yeah, it was this. It was this one. Boom. We should be chilling. Flexible ads usually do really, really good for me, actually. So I think this is going to be great. Let's upload this. It's honestly so good. She has really good content. Her prices are a little bit high, but that's not the end of the world. I think that's actually better for us. By the way, boys, if you do want to learn more about brand scaling and work with me one-on-one, click the top link in the description. And if you do want to just learn more about brand scaling in general, there's a video that you can watch on my website down below as well. I see all these old ones they have. Might have to actually use those. They have so much stuff. Okay, so we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So all these, great. And I'm just gonna use the same headlines as this one because it was good. Let's see. Bro, they keep changing this. This is like a brand new update. That's interesting. So I'm gonna delete that old one. Then I'm naming this Flex 1. Boom. Add images. Sorry, add videos. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a video, right? Yeah. Perfect. So now the URL will put the actual thing here so they can pick the colorway. And then let's do shop now, and then headline, same thing. I have to copy and paste a million of these frickin' things. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one on 5. So this should be good. Now the headline. 1, 2, 3. We'll probably set up some carousels as well. I love carousels. Carousels are probably my favorite. Yeah, carousels is like when you slide through the Instagram post. And then description. And this should be the last one. Boom. That's good. That's great. Let's actually publish this so it can start uploading. And then now let's go to the next one. So the next one is, what do they have? So the first 3 were the Ballum bag or whatever it's called. And then now I think this one was, yeah, this other bag. Hella aesthetic. So while this downloads, I'm gonna see what else they have. They have all these older videos, but I'm gonna try the new creatives, and then maybe in the future we'll try the old ones. Let's see what else they have. So that was branded videos 9x16. We also have 4x5. So these are the same ads. So it doesn't matter. We don't need that. because they're going to compete against each other. But these we can run. A lot of flex campaigns here. Okay, fine. This is gonna be crazy. This is gonna be crazy. We're gonna make so much bread. So did that download? Yep. So let's do edit. Let's do duplicate, and then let's figure out what bag this is. That's the Cali bag. Okay. So let's take them to the collection page. Let's find some more images or some more videos of that specific product. Whoops. So branded 9x16. Let's see if they have some older videos. So that's the same bag, right? I guess they don't have that colorway anymore. That's not it. That's not it. Not it. I guess this is a new. Oh wait, that's it, right? Is that it? I really can't even tell. I think that's it, but I think that's a different colorway. Because if there's only one video on it, we have to do a single image video ad. Nope, that's not it. We were at 6. Nope, that's it. That's definitely it. I don't really like this ad though, but let's still try it. And then let's see what else. Nope. 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 Okay, so I guess that's the only one. Right? Yeah. Looks like it is. Alright, Facebook wants to take forever, bro. Come on. Let's hurry up here, boys. We're already 20 minutes in and we only have one ad. We're so chopped. Okay, but this ad's going to bang. I guarantee you this ad's going to be super profitable. And I could probably make a update video on how this goes. So this one we're going to name the Cali Oversized. Flex 1. And then we're going to edit the media. Whoops. We're going to delete the media. Add videos. And let's throw these in. Let's see if they have any photos or videos of the Cali bag already. I see they have this one already uploaded. So we might as well just use it. Okay, let's see while it's processing. Let's see what images they have. None of the Cali bag. I guess it's a newer product. Oh, I think this right here is the Cali bag. Right? Maybe. Looks a little bit different. This looks like shiny. I think that's the normal Cali right here. Yeah, it is. That's no good. Let's actually do this. Let's take them to the Cali collection, which has the oversized ones and the normal ones. And then let's just, perfect. That would work even better. So meanwhile, I'm going to just upload the creatives of the normal Cali bag. So this one. Well, I want to stick to videos for this. So let's do videos. This we uploaded. Which one was that? We needed that one on a chair. Yeah, this download. Oh, it did download. That one's 6D right here. Okay, so we don't need that. Let's just drag it in. Perfect. So we can use this. We can use that one. And that seems like that's all she has for the Cali bag. Right, that's not a Cali bag right there, no. Okay, so we should be good. Let's continue, and let's do the same with to make the description, say This is the Cali collection. It has the oversized and normal bag in it. Here is the product pages and collection page. And let's paste in the first one, the second one, and the actual page. That should work. The URL, let's switch it out to Cali. And then I think I had one more video to add. Yep. That one, I think that one might bang. That one's really nice. And then perfect. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do these. Oh shoot, that was 4. Shoot. And last one. Don't focus on the specifics of big and small. It's just the Cali collection. Yeah, these are better. I'm gonna replace these. But yeah, boys, this is what happens when your client has a bunch of content. You know you're gonna print, but it just takes forever to set up. 3, 4, and 5. Let's do the headlines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's good. Now the description, and I'm finally done. I know this video is hella like raw, guys, but that's what I want you to see. I want you to see what I actually do for a living. Like, this client guaranteed is gonna make me 2, 3, maybe even upwards of $5,000 this drop, because they have so much inventory. Their margins are insane, bro. They're super high ticket. They're selling like $200, $240 products. So I get every sale, I get $20 to like $40. If I get them 100 sales, boom, that's it. I already made $4,000. So that's done. Shop now. That should be good. Now the last thing I think they had is, let's actually just publish this so it saves, and yep, should be good. Perfect. Let's actually turn off the campaign, by the way, so it doesn't launch and start spending when I don't want it to just yet. It's still going to be in the review process, which is fine. So let's duplicate this again. And last thing is, I think she had these little strap bags or something. Yeah, this one. So download this. So let's actually find this one. Let's see. Let's see, Cuckoo. That looks like it's it, right? Yeah. First try. Nah, I'm crazy. We should also try like these images. This is what Carousel is good for. Literally like this. That would be a great carousel. Just the product and then the on body. That would be fire. That would definitely work. So I'm gonna do those as well for each one of these collections. Yeah, so what is it called? It's called Cuckoo Flex 1. Boom. Let's delete all these. Add videos. Let's throw this in. Let's see how many colorways she has. She has black, brown, and burgundy. So I don't think this is it, right? This is something else. Okay, cool. So let's see which other ones are. So this is Cuckoo. Let's download this. Oh, wow, this is. Let's add that. Add another video. Boom. And then let's see if there's any more. Yep, we have another one. This one's uploading, right? Yeah, it is. And then meanwhile, let's throw this into here. Last one, cuckoo one. Boom. Let's throw this in. That should be it, right? Unless there's one more that I'm missing. I mean, this one's technically on the other one, so I don't want the ad creatives to compete against each other. So that's that for the actual videos, which is beautiful. You know, you see we just uploaded like 15 ads and 3 ads, or 15 creatives and like 3 ads. So that's great. We don't have to do a million different ads, and just Facebook will do all the testing for you, which is why I love the new flexible campaign. So that's the last one, right? Just to confirm. Yeah, it is. Okay, so let's go here. Let's do the last things. Boom. And boom. Printing mode. Alright, headline and description. I actually don't really love these descriptions, but it's okay. Imagine making every single one of this copy one by one by one, bro. It would take forever. And by the way, the copy is the text, if you guys don't know. That's pretty much what it means. And he probably noticed that I'm not in my house. I'm staying in a temporary house until we're moving to Miami. So we're already locked in for Miami. It's just in literally a month, bro. So we have to wait, which is a headache, but it is what it is. So I replaced the website URL, and I did all of them, right? Wait. Oh, shoot. I did it backwards. Paste that in. Now the description. By the way, guys, only use flexible campaign if you have like a million different creatives. Technically, still the best way is by manually uploading each ad and checking the analytics, but flexible just makes it so much easier, and there's less human mistake that you can make, less variation between ads. So I like the upside. The convenience is just worth it. For the downside, so let's just publish this one. But generally you want to do carousel or single image video and just have like a bunch of ads, but we're taking a little shortcut way. But it's, you know, there's a reason Facebook is dumping millions of dollars into the flexible campaign. But now that we have all the videos ad uploaded, we're gonna pretty much duplicate this. So just click duplicate on it in the same campaign, just to save a little bit of time. And then instead of video, I'm gonna name this photo. Boom. And then I'm gonna delete these two. And then I guess let's start with the cuckoo one. So we're gonna do the cuckoo carousel 1. So let's go to carousel, and let's start adding. Let's see, my question is, should I do all the colorways separately or not? Like, should I do each one as a product? Because she doesn't have any of them where all the colors are. I wish she had like a picture where it was all of them in one. Let's see, maybe we can utilize the catalog thing. Let's see. No. This is not it. This is not it. I guess she stopped making the collections. Where's it at? What's it called? Cuckoo, right? Yeah, she doesn't have it, but this would be good if like she had it set up. It would have all the creatives. Damn, that would be fire. Whatever. This is like it's using the creatives from your Shopify, which would work. But unfortunately, we'll just do carousel. What the hell? Where'd the flex ads go? Oh, because it's not manual. I'm thinking if we should do flex for this or individual ones. I think that what we should do is just do a normal carousel. Take it to the collection page, and then have each color like this. Where is it? Add image. So I'll have this. Wait, what the hell? She has more creatives on her Insta that she hadn't given me. Alright, whatever. Let's add this one. This one. And then there should be the dark brown one, right? Or burgundy. So those three first. Then what I'm gonna do is, should I do the black or the brown for the main images? Let's do the, I feel like the black one is more popular, maybe. Nah, this one has better pictures. Let's do this one. So I'm gonna throw the buckle, the hand woven thing, the branding, and we don't need that. We don't need that. So I don't like that this is not a square picture and the other ones are square pictures, but it is what it is. Ooh, will this get approved, bro? Her nipple is low-key showing. I don't know. Let's also take this and download this, and then download this. So these 9 ads should be chilling like that, in that order. I think that's good. Yeah, it's just chilling. Let's do the brown one first, because that's mostly what I'm promoting, right? Brown, black, burgundy. My question is, should I put a picture of the girl first to show the product? I'm pretty sure Facebook A/B tests that. No, I'm gonna put it at the end. Let's do it at the end. Okay, now let's do the. Oh, nice! It's auto tag. That's cool. Now let's do the headline and the website. That's not where I want to go. Where is it? Here to the collections page. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paste the URL, and then what you want to do is click apply to all cards. Now headline, I'm gonna go to ChatGPT and do like, for the cuckoo collection, give me a more salesy one, promoting the product and trying to get a sale through the copy. So I want to do a more like salesy one. I think that would help. Damn, it's already 36 minutes. Holy. I like that. So let's paste that in the headline. And then I'm going to promote the free shipping. And then just apply to all cards. Apply to all cards. And this is done. Now the primary text. We can add more optimizations. I just realized this is the headline, not the primary text. Let's do this. I like limited stock, you know, try to get people to kind of go to the site. And then let's do this. And then let's actually just use the AI generated ones. Those are actually pretty decent most of the time. Boom. Should be chilling. This is just, sometimes you have to manually fix it. And then let's do shop now because we're pushing the sale for this. Now this should be good. I'm gonna publish it. You can publish everything at the end, but I just do it just to kind of like lock it in and save it. So the next thing is the Cali bag, but this time we're gonna just focus on the oversized. Let's see, does she have on body pictures? Yes, perfect. Wow, that's actually a really good picture. Damn, you're fire, bro. Okay, so let's open these up. I'm gonna duplicate this. Existing ad set. Then I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna do Cali oversized. And then you can just remove all of these. And then I'm just gonna delete the primary text. Add image. So let's see, they actually have this picture already in here. But let's just upload these one by one. Boom. Oh, their product photos are actually insane. And then let's focus on, should we focus on the black one? Let's see which one has better product photos. I feel like this just looks better. Nah, this definitely looks better. Let's do this. 1, 2, and then this. And then what else? The handle. Yeah, let's show off the handle. And then the actual, I guess, clip. And then let's do the on-body models and her as well. And now we're chilling. This should be a bunch of different ads. Right here we have 8. Continue. We're gonna do those, and then now let's do the same thing for same thing, but for Cali oversized bags. Don't promo any discount like 10% or 50% off other than free shipping. Okay. Headline, let's pick one. Push the limited stock angle that they are selling out fast also. I like this one. So let's throw that in for the headline, and then the description. And let's do this for the description, and let's update the website URL, apply to all cards, and then let's do the primary text. Let's do this, and then I want to do one from here. And then this. We can actually do this plus the AI. We just need to regenerate. Boom. And then let's just throw this in. I didn't do this for the other one, but it's whatever. And let's do like a couple of like ones that are pushing the sale. Shop now website. So let me just double check. I put the right website URL. Yep, Cali oversized. And then here I also had to change it. Okay, so that's good. That one's set up. Now I think I just need to do the small little purses things, and then the rest I'm just gonna make a giant flexible ad. What was it? It was like the Nunu, right? Or no, not Nunu. What the hell am I saying? Was it the Balam? Yeah, it was the Balam. Actually, I don't really love these. Maybe for this, let's do a little bit of A/B testing, because again, I don't want to waste all her budget. So instead of these two, I'm gonna do as product photos, but the last one, I'm gonna do only the pictures of on bodies and try to see if maybe that works better. And then if it does, I'm gonna continue doing that in the future. You should wait for me to finish the sentence, bro.
I thought about that after.
So for these, I'm just gonna literally do the on-body photos, and if it does better, I'm gonna change the product photos just into on-bodies. But this is kind of how you do a little bit of A/B testing, see what works. Like if this one performs bad, I'm just gonna do the product photo method that I've been doing for the other ones, where I just do all the product photos and then have the on-bodies at the bottom. So let's do this. What's it called? Balam. And I'm gonna specifically note on body only, so I know which one's which. And then let's do the same process again and again. So let's remove all of these. Let's add images, and then there's just 3 of them, right? 1, 2, and 3. So damn, these look so clean. So that's that. Now let's delete all this. And then let's go to the ChatGPT and say to do the same thing with these. Now let's change the URL. Here, let's do the URL. Oops, that's the description. The URL, apply to all cards. Let's see. So what this is the description. Oh, this is the headline. And then the description is let's do this one. Apply to all cards. Now the headline or the primary text. Bro, these are so cooked, man. But guess they work. So that one's chill, done. So that's for the most part everything. Now the last campaign that I'm gonna do is she sent me more, like she sent me actually a lot, holy, like 30 photos. But we're just gonna what we're gonna do is just turn these all into flexible ads. Yeah, so let's do that. So I'm just gonna duplicate this, and then again we just go by collection. So flex for this one. Let's do oh whoops, I did not mean to duplicate the entire thing. Duplicate existing ad set, and then let's name this flex. Awesome. So add images, and then let's go through all of these and find the Cali bag. So 1, 2. 3 right there. That's 4, 5. Damn, she's hella. You can only do 10 in a flex campaign. Wait, what was that last one? Okay. this, and let's do this one. I'm gonna skip that one because we are pretty much have the same exact one. Okay, I guess that's all of them, so maybe let's not skip it. Oh no, we already have, no, it is different. And then let's see if there's any on her, maybe Instagram. Any more? I think this one we could do. This one we could do. Well, it's not the oversized Cali. That should be. What the heck is this? That should be everything for her. Yep. So that's everything for the Cali ones. And then we're gonna do the same exact thing. I know it's annoying. What I should do is I should just take this and then duplicate this into the photo ad set, so I don't have to retype all that stuff. Yeah, this is the method. Let's delete that. Add images. Let's do all these again. What the heck is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there was 1. Alright, 7. Perfect. And then let's delete the videos. And for this one, perfect. Shop now. This goes to the Cali collection, right? Where does this go? Yeah, perfect. So that's great. Let's publish this. Now what other pieces does she have in here? So she has a little bag. Which was what? That was the Ballum, right? Yeah, so let's duplicate to photo. Add images. Let's start from here. So first one. Second one. This is the third and fourth. Oh, that's a good one. I like this one. I think this one can print low-key. Sheesh, this one will probably bang. This is like a beautiful image of the product. Let's see, there's a couple more. How many are we at? Oh. Okay, so we have space for 4 more. Did I upload that one? No. So 1, 2. Whoops, I uploaded that one twice. Let's see. Do I have space? Yeah, I do. So 1 and 2. Come on, download. Boom, and 1 more. Perfect. So we have all those good to go. This is actually perfect. It's exactly 10 ads. So that's good. See, Facebook's going to kind of A/B test all these themselves. It's not going to be a carousel like this. It's just showing you, like, as you can see, it's going to be like ad like this, and then ad like this, ad like this, like literally every single one. And then it's going to find whichever one does best and push that one specifically. So we're chilling for that. Now the last one is the cuckoo. So I'm going to duplicate that into the photo ad set. So I know I didn't do any like single image or video ads, but regularly, if like I'm working with a clothing brand, like a streetwear brand, which probably a lot of you are. I add like the reels. They usually don't have that many reels, like maybe 10 reels, and they're all different. And I would just add them there as like single image video instead of flexible. I just do flexible because all her creatives are so similar. So I might as well just see which one of those does better. And she has so many. So let's do the cuckoo ad. So this one. Come on, hurry up. 1. That's 2 right here. It's like the same ad, bro. 3. Oh, that one's fire. Okay. Wait, why is it giving me errors? What the hell? Why is it giving me errors? What? 57, 52, 45, and 42. So I think that's all we had, and then let's do this. Wait, it's the same one again, bro. I'm messing this up. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 42. I have 42. Where's 43? No, where's 62? There you go. Oof, this one's clean. So, one like this. Only have space for 2 more. Oh, there's literally only 2 more. That's crazy. Then we should be chilling. These are all different. Yeah, they're all different. She might even have more on her page, but this is more than enough. Then I'm gonna list it. What? Okay, it just glitched out. And then publish. And now they're all processing. So this is pretty much what I would do for the testing campaign. I can make a video on when I do the scaling campaign. But boys, if you are interested in my mentorship, if you do want to work with me one-on-one, click the link down below. And if you are interested in actually learning more about brand scaling, I have a free training down below that you could watch as well. Peace.